In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show live caption in MS Teams meeting. Live captions are incredibly helpful if you want to make your meetings more accessible, follow along in noisy environments, or better understand speakers with different accents. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting in Microsoft Teams and how to turn it on while you're already in a meeting. First, make sure you are already in an active Microsoft Teams meeting, either in the desktop app or the web version. You'll see the meeting controls bar, usually located at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your layout. This is the bar that shows icons for turning your camera and microphone on or off, sharing your screen, and other options. On that meeting controls bar, look for the three dots icon. This is commonly called the More menu or More Actions menu. It's usually near the middle or right side of the toolbar. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This opens a drop-down menu with a list of additional settings and features that aren't shown by default on the main bar. From this drop-down menu, you'll see several options related to the meeting experience. What you want to look for is the option labeled Language and Speech. This section groups together tools related to spoken content such as captions and spoken language settings. Move your mouse over Language and Speech, and then click it to open its submenu. Once you're inside the Language and Speech menu, you'll see the option to Show Live Captions. Click on Show Live Captions to turn this feature on for your meeting. After a brief moment, you should start to see text appear on your screen, usually near the bottom. These are the live captions generated automatically from what participants are saying. As people in the meeting continue to speak, the captions will update in real time. This can make it much easier to follow detailed discussions, take notes accurately, and support participants who are deaf or hard of hearing. Remember that captions are based on speech recognition, so the clearer everyone speaks, the more accurate the captions will be. If at any point you want to turn the captions off, you can return to the same Language and Speech menu and select the option to hide or turn off live captions. And that's all you need to do to show live captions in a Microsoft Teams meeting.